Alrighty, Mikey. For your trip, I'm gonna make you some chocolate chip brownie bars.
Well, let's do it. I can't wait.
So I think you're gonna like it.
I'll love it.
I'm gonna use a 13 by 9 by 2 pan because I'm gonna make like a stiff batter. This is gonna be very, very close to, you know, the double chocolate gooey butter cakes. And I know you like those. All right, so I'm gonna spray this so it'll come out of our pan easy. All right, now, okay. So, Mikey, I see you're measuring 1/3 cup of the vegetable oil, and that's gonna go in our box of brownie mix. And I'm gonna crack 2 eggs for you. And then you just need 1/4 cup of water. And I've got your 2 eggs. And it'll tell you on the brownie box, you know, just whisk by hand, like 50 strokes. You gonna count your strokes?
Well, after you pour this in, right?
Yeah.
Huh?
Yes. All right. Now, I'm gonna get started on the bottom part. I'm gonna start with 2 sticks of butter and 1½ cups of brown sugar. And I'm gonna pack that down in there good. All right, now in this bowl, Michael, what I'd like for you to do right here is measure 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
I can do that.
1 teaspoon of baking soda and 1/2 teaspoon of salt.
Okay.
And I'm gonna start creaming this. And this is gonna be real thick. Okie doke. And you level those off good, right?
Pretty close.
Now, you know baking's a formula. You gotta make sure. And just whisk that together for me.
Okay.
And if you would, just break me 2 eggs off in there. And then...
Put them in here?
Yeah, I think it's creamed enough. It's kind of fluffy. If you would, take this spatula and go around my bowl with me. So I can incorporate it all.
Looks like peanut butter.
It does look like peanut butter, doesn't it? All right. And then while I'm beating, if you just dump our dry ingredients in.
Okay.
Maybe not all at one time, but maybe like
just
half.
A little bit?
About half.
Okay.
See how stiff this is gonna be? Okay.
Put it on?
Put it on. When we go to pat this, what we're probably gonna need to do is just kind of, you know, run some flour on our hands so it won't stick.
Okay, press this out?
Yeah, we're just gonna press that evenly. I tell you what, why don't you reach over and get our chocolate chips? And I'll work on this for you because it can be tedious.
So you just sprinkle these in?
We're just gonna sprinkle them on top. And if you wanted to, you could put a layer of coconut, a layer of nuts, peanut butter morsels. You know, you could butterscotch. You could really just do kind of anything you wanted to do. Very much like that base. Okay, so just put a layer of chocolate chips on. And then, Michael, we're just gonna pour our brownie dough, our brownie batter, on top of that, and we're gonna bake it at 350 for about 40 minutes. Just spread them around, you know, make sure everybody gets a bite. If you'll go around, and hold that bowl, that glass bowl is heavy. You're getting closer to Costa Rica, baby. And those rooster fish. If you catch one now, I want you to take a picture of it.
Oh, I am.
All right, baby cakes. 350, about 40 minutes. All right. Look how pretty these are, Michael. You're gonna be popular with your buddies. Look at these, Michael.
Oh, those look good. You want to try one before we go to?
Of course I do. Let's save that corner one for me and you.
I like the corner ones better.
I know you do. How many guys are gonna be there?
Well, 3, I think. Rick and his brother.
Okay, so I need to make y'all 3 packs, right?
Well, yeah, at least.
Just in case their packs don't make it to them, you have an extra one.
In case I get hungry on the plane. Beautiful.
There you go.
Thank you so much.
You know, your wife is in the food business. I can't send you off with ugly snacks.
That's right. Thank you.
All right, there's that corner for you.
Oh, thank you.
Pretty good, isn't it? And like I said, you could mix this up, shuffle it up any way you like. You know, I just love spending time in the kitchen with family, especially my husband. He is so much fun. Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.